Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy Solana on Binance. It's quite easy to get this done. Make sure you have an account on Binance, and if you do not have an account on Binance, by using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify your account. So guys, with a verified account, all you need to do is quite simple. Make sure you have some sort of cryptocurrency on your Binance such that you can convert this crypto into the Solana. For instance, on my wallet, so once you scroll from the overview to the spot or funding, as you can see, I have some USDT here. So all I need to do with this USDT to get it into the Solana, which is technically buying it, is heading over to the home section, clicking on the convert option. By doing this, we can simply click on the spot wallet drop down and select the funding wallet. Once you selected the funding wallet, click on the meme coin, click on USDT, and simply search for Solana. Once you found Solana, click on Solana, click on Max, click on Preview Conversion, click on Convert. Now, by doing this, I have successfully bought some Solana on the Binance platform. Now, in order to buy with your card or your debit or your MasterCard, whatever kind of card you have, simply head over to the More section, which is on the main screen. Head over to More, click on More, and once there, simply scroll down and select Sell to Card. It's just down here, select Sell to Card. So click on Sell to Card. And now we're going to be using the cryptocurrency of our choice, which in this case is the BNB. Just click on the BNB, and where we have sell at the top of the screen, select the buy option. Now, once you've done this, in place of BNB, click on the BNB drop down and simply search for Solana. Once you found the Solana, we're going to be making use of Solana. Click on buy minimum amount, click on buy SOL, and then you're taken to your payment options, such as the wallet and the card. So as you can see, the supported cards here are the MasterCard and the Visa card. So simply click on confirm, and then you're going to have to enter your card details, your billing address, and the rest of those good stuff. And then it's going to be taken directly from your wallet and deposited into your account, meaning the money is going to be taken from your card. That's your card details are going to be required, and then it's going to be deposited into your Binance platform, which you can then confirm the deposit at the wallet section by a simple reload, either on your funding or on your spot. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can buy Solana on Binance, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.